Cosmetics are part of our everyday routine. But did you know that there's high tech behind your makeup and creams? What's even better, it could be environmentally friendly high tech. A growing awareness amongst consumers is driving a trend towards sustainable and environmentally friendly cosmetics. The market for these products is growing at a brisk pace, an average of 4% each year. Natural ingredients are just one aspect of the issue, however. Another is production processes and the damage they can cause to the environment.
Currently adopted manufacturing processes are characterized by high energy consumption. These processes take place at very high temperature. They use potentially hazardous catalysts and form unsavory byproducts. All these disadvantages should be avoided introducing novel processes.
Nature itself could provide the means to avoid these problematic production processes. This is why the EU Science Consortium OPTIBIOCAT is currently researching more natural ways to produce antioxidants using a resource that's essential to all life on Earth: enzymes.
Yeah, so the current process is a chemical process based on fossil resources. And of course, at the moment, we would very much like to move away from the fossil resources more into sustainable processes. So the idea of going towards an enzymatic process is that you will have a more sustainable process, a biological process. So effectively, you go to green cosmetics.
Enzymes allow chemical reactions to take place under natural conditions without using high temperatures or high pressure. They work as catalysts, converting materials. In the human body, for example, enzymes degrade the individual components of food. But they can also be applied to industrial production, where they can replace other common chemical processes. But first, the right kinds of enzymes for a particular process have to be discovered or developed, and this quest requires a major research effort. In the OPTIBIOCAT project, renowned experts from 16 partners in 8 European countries have been cooperating since 2013. The partners include universities and research centers, as well as companies that could one day actually produce more sustainable cosmetics with the help of the project's findings. Once a promising enzyme is found, it has to be tested and optimized. At first, the scientists have to evaluate whether the enzyme really does initiate the reaction needed to produce antioxidants. This is the task of German-based chemical company Taros.
Our core competence is organic and metallorganic chemistry. We are equipped with everything which is necessary for conducting even complicated and really challenging chemistry.
The firm is testing the enzymes for the proper reactions and providing compounds for other partners in the OPTIBIOCAT project. In addition, the company is currently generating a compound library. It lists known natural compounds that can be used for the cosmetic industry and other industries.
Sometimes it makes sense to consider a complete different kind of process to achieve a compound. So because it is not convenient for the usage in big scale, or some other parameters are endangering the whole process, and therefore enzymes might be a good choice to completely set up a new production.
Finally, Greek natural cosmetics expert Kores is testing the compounds for their applicability in cosmetics. The Athens-based firm has specialized in organic beauty products for over 20 years.
Kores is the company which is going to take advantage of the final findings and use the compounds developed through this sustainable procedure. In OPTIBIOCAT, Kores has the role of testing certain compounds in terms of their antioxidant activity. On a second level, some of the most active antioxidant compounds we test for safety. From the compounds that OPTIBIOCAT suggested for use in CORES, we tested 40 compounds for their antioxidant activity, and of them we also tested 4 for a full safety profile. So far the results have been very encouraging. The majority of the OPTIBIOCAT compounds had very strong antioxidant activity, and the best scores have been put through for safety, and they are doing very well.
But the results could prove to be promising not just for the beauty sector, but in other areas as well. Enzymes can be used in a wide range of industrial fields.
Improved enzymes developed by OPTIBIOCAT project can be applied in different market sectors. The main field within the scope of the project is the cosmetic one, but antioxidant can be used in the food industry, in the medical sector, and in the feed sector.
Consumers continue to demand new cosmetics that benefit the environment as much as they benefit beauty. However, there's still a long way to go before the enzymatic production of antioxidants is advanced enough to have a major impact on markets. Considering all the difficulties, is sustainability worth the effort?
I think we have an obligation as scientists to answer questions regarding sustainability as best as we can. And from wherever you are standing, you can make a difference, even if it is a person in a laboratory or somebody who's making up creams and makeup. So yes, I think sustainability is the way forward.